How to start trading in 2024 step by step. Starting trading in 2024 can be both exciting and challenging, especially with the wide array of tools and markets available. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you begin. 1. Understand trading basics. Types of trading. Familiarize yourself with different markets, such as stocks, forex, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and indices. Trading styles. Decide on a trading style, like day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, based on your risk tolerance, time commitment, and goals. 2. Choose a market. Choose one or two markets to start, like stocks or forex. Sticking to one area can help you focus your research and gain expertise without being overwhelmed. 3. Set clear goals. Decide why you're trading and set realistic, measurable goals, like monthly return targets. Having goals will guide your strategy and help manage your expectations. 4. Get educated. Learn technical analysis, study price charts, patterns, indicators, and tools like moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Learn fundamental analysis, especially for stocks and forex. Study the factors that affect asset prices, such as company earnings, economic data, or global events. Stay updated. Markets are dynamic, so keep up with financial news and trends. 5. Choose a reliable broker. Research brokers. Look for a reputable, regulated broker with a user-friendly platform and competitive fees. Consider fees, compare spreads, commissions, and any account fees. Test with a demo account. Many brokers offer demo accounts, which are risk-free and let you practice trading with virtual funds. 6. Develop a trading plan. Outline your strategy, including your entry/exit criteria, stop-loss levels, risk tolerance, and profit targets. Risk management. Determine how much of your capital you're willing to risk on each trade, e.g., 1 to 2% of your total account. 7. Start small with a real account. Once you feel confident with your strategy, start with a small amount of money you can afford to lose. Gradually increase your trading size as you gain experience. 8. Monitor and adjust. Track your performance and adjust your strategy as needed. Review and improve. Use a trading journal to log your trades and review your successes and mistakes. 9. Stay consistent and patient. Success in trading takes time, discipline, and patience. Avoid making impulsive decisions or chasing quick profits. By following these steps, you'll build a strong foundation to trade effectively in 2024. If you're unsure, start with a reputable course or consider consulting a mentor to guide your early trades. Develop a trading plan. Start small with a real account. Monitor and adjust. Stay consistent and patient. In summary, starting a successful trading journey in 2024 requires building a strong foundation and adopting a disciplined approach. Begin by understanding the fundamentals of trading, then select a specific market that aligns with your interests and risk tolerance. Setting clear, realistic goals will keep you focused, while education in both technical and fundamental analysis will help you make informed decisions. Choosing a reliable broker and creating a well-thought-out trading plan are essential steps to manage risks effectively. Start small with a real account to gain hands-on experience, but always monitor your performance and make adjustments as needed. Finally, staying consistent and patient is crucial, as success in trading is a gradual process. With dedication, persistence, and adaptability, you can build a solid foundation for your trading journey.